Nope. Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate zucchini bread. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups of some kind of flour substitute. I'm using Carbquik. Then you need 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/2 cup of sugar substitute. I'm using the Monkfruit. Then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/3 cup of some kind of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 medium zucchini grated, and the moisture squeezed out. So I took my zucchini, and it's about 1.5 cups. I peeled it, I shredded it, and then I put it in a tea towel and really squeezed out as much moisture as I could. So I don't know if you want to do it a different way. I tried to pulse it in my NutriBullet a little bit, but then it became really just mush, so I couldn't use it. And then you also need 1 to 2 cups of sugar-free chocolate chips. Again, any kind you like. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350, and then we're going to line a 9x5 loaf pan with parchment paper with overhangs for easy removal. Alright, so in a large bowl, we are going to whisk all of our dry ingredients together. Alright, that looks really combined to me, and it already smells great. So next, go ahead and add all of your wet ingredients, but don't add in the chocolate chips yet. And again, stir that to combine. I'm just going to use a spatula on this part. Alright, all of my ingredients are combined, and I mean, this mixture is pretty thick, but it is also a bit watery, so I hope I didn't add too many. I hope I squeezed out enough of the moisture out of my zucchini. So next, I'm just going to add in my whole 10-ounce bag of chocolate chips and fold those in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this into my prepared loaf pan. Alright, that looks good to me. I just smoothed it out with my spatula. So now I'm going to get this in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. But after 20 minutes, I'm going to check it just to make sure that it's not burning and I don't have to put a foil tent on it. Alright, my zucchini bread is out of the oven and it has cooled off, so I removed it from the pan. Now we're going to slice it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, I cut Taste Tester a piece here, and mine is really, really gooey, so if you don't want yours that gooey, then you might want to bake it an additional probably 10 to 15 minutes, because the center of mine is really gooey, but it's really good. So let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Go around, like, subscribe.
Bye.